Is automation working for your business? Are you considering implementing certain levels of automation in your business, softwares, apps? Is it the right time? How can you ensure that automation is really effective in your business? This is what we dive into in this video. My name is Karsha Campbell. I do help everyday business owners like yourself say goodbye to frustration and overwhelm about what's happening in your business. So I'll help you to improve your systems. I'll help you to improve your cash flow, plug those money holes, plug those money leaks, set up your business to pay less taxes as well. And who doesn't like that? So that is what I focus on, partnering with business owners, primarily in the construction world, contractors, in the trades, and so much more. How can you ensure that automation is effective for your business, right? Because I do find a lot of times, there's so many options now for automation apps. There's just about an app to do everything, and improvements are keep being done. New apps are coming on the market, and you can get overwhelmed and get into that realm of I need to get this, I need to get that. However, nothing is wrong with getting apps and effective automation systems in your business. Nothing is wrong with that. However, as business owners, entrepreneurs, CEOs, you need to ensure that what you are using in your business is effective. That is not a case where you're just, okay, I need this software, so I grab it. I need this app, and it's not being effectively used in your business. It's not adding to your business being more, efficient. It's not adding to the value and really saving you money and time and so much more. You definitely need to ensure that is happening. And it's just like there's this computer jargon, garbage in, garbage out. So if you don't have the right information going in, then you're going to get garbage out. And we see that ever so often, as sometimes even in communicating, if the understanding is not there, then one person might go away leaving with, being misunderstood or with the wrong directive, the wrong, you know, assessment. So it is very, very important that whatever is happening in your business supports the step to being automated. So what that means is that, for example, number one, you need to ensure that the automation that you're choosing, the system, the app, is really making sense for your business. For example, if it's a case where, let me see, you might be, so okay, it's time to go ahead and get this payroll provider, using this payroll provider in my business. You want to make sure that in choosing that payroll provider, one, it's cost effective. Two, they are doing the full, doing all the steps. They're getting all the reports done. They're, doing the transfers of the team members. It's not probably halfway, because if you do have a payroll provider just doing, for example, just you know, doing the payments and they're not doing reporting to the various, government entities, then again, that leads you back to not being fully automated and not using your time wisely, because you now have to go back and do this. Another thing too, a lot of times in-house you might be doing payroll when you could easily outsource it. So you want to make sure that what you're choosing, the choices you're making, are really making sense for your business. They're really, effective for your business. You don't want to just think that, okay, because my colleague is using this app, that I jumped and went onto it. No, you want to make sure that it fits your business, the goals. Think about the costs. Think about also the reporting. That is really a downside I see a lot of times with certain apps and softwares, the reporting. You're not able to pull key reports that you need out of it to help with analysis, to help with decision making. So then it defeats the whole purpose of, being more efficient, because not able to pull certain information out of that software can be very frustrating. And then you have to manually now create certain reports to get certain numbers to help with decision making. So make sure that the software that you're choosing, the apps, are really making it worthwhile for your business. Reporting is a very, very important aspect, in helping you to make that decision with choosing software, choosing whatever automation process you're going to do for your business. So make sure that the system that you're choosing, the app, is making sense for your business. You want to ensure that it's not going to cause more chaos, more confusion, amongst your teams. Think about all that. That is really working for your business. You want to be in a case where you're using the software, but it's so cumbersome, it's so overwhelming that team members are not, enthused about using it, and the support is not there. That again defeats the whole purpose. So make sure it's meeting your goals, right? So that is one of the things when we are choosing software with my clients, we make sure that, okay, what are the needs of our business at this time? What are the needs? What do we need? What is really creating bottlenecks? What is causing more time? How can what are some areas that time can be used more wisely, especially the time of the business owner, if you're the business owner, the entrepreneur, the CEO, your time is so valuable. So we sit down and we go through and say, okay, there's a bottleneck here. What can we choose to really help support this and enhance efficiency in the company? So that's a discussion I have with, my clients. And when we're choosing a software, we want to, we go through and say, okay, this software will help with these two areas. This software won't help. We look at things like that to help to make sure that the software will work for the organization, for the company. That is so, so, so important. The other thing that I want to quickly touch on in ensuring that softwares, automations are effective for your business is making sure that you have effective systems already in place. And I did talk about it earlier, garbage in, garbage out. If your business is not organized, if your operations are chaotic, if there's confusion, if there are a lot of gaps and loopholes, duplication, then bringing automation into that will again create more confusion. If you don't have a set process and this is this flow, this is effective flow, this is how things should be, again, when you bring automation in, then it's just going to be even more chaotic. So make sure you do have the systems flowing act properly, efficiently in your business. So that's going to reduce the likelihood of more confusion on top of confusion on top of confusion when you start to automate. And we see that. So a lot of times what we do with my clients, we want to ensure that we set out steps. This is first, this is second, this is third. We get that detail because it is so, so, so important. And we make sure that, we are having that open conversation, that dialogue, that we are on the same path, the same level with how this thing should be done. These are the efficiencies that can be enhanced by bringing automation into play. So that's another thing, making sure that your systems, that your operations are effective and they are actually working for your business. And then that next step with automation is to save on time and to, of course, enhance more efficiency, save on costs, and save on money leaving your bank account as well, for sure. So those are the two things, the two key areas in making sure that automation is effective in your business. One, you want to make sure that whatever automation software system that you're choosing, app, it is working, it makes sense for your business. It can be customized at times, or it's meeting the needs of your business. You want to not show, okay, because everybody's using this software, I need to get it to no. You want to make sure that it is working for your business. It will work for your business, the needs of your business. Be clear about the needs of your business. Reporting, efficiency, saving on cost, accessibility. A lot of times the softwares, apps are introduced, and even reaching out to customer service is so challenging. So you want to, iron out those little kinks in the beginning to help you with making that choice. And number two, you want to ensure that your systems are effective, your processes are working. Garbage in, garbage out. You don't want to bring more confusion on top of confusion and chaos on top of chaos. No, you don't want to do that with automation. So those are that's our area of focus today, just for, so I do encourage you, if you're in the process of choosing a software, if you're thinking about a software, if you've already chosen a software, review these two key things to see, okay, how can this enhance my business? What are the changes that I need to make in my team to make sure this works for me? And as always, if you do have any questions, reach out to me and I'll be happy to chat. So signing off, my name is Kersha Campbell. I do help everyday business owners improving their financial systems, their processes, their cash flow, plug in those money holes, money leaks, and so much more in their business. So signing off until next time. Bye guys.